This module about Python dictionary. Myself Konkonjana, Assistant Professor of Greater Kolkata College of Engineering and Management, JIS Group. It's a joint venture. So, this topic in module 5 that we will cover are overview of dictionary, accessing the values of dictionary, deleting an item from the dictionary, updating the values of the dictionary, adding an item to the dictionary, and dictionary functions that we will learn: len, str, max, min, dict, and the dictionary methods that we learn from this module 5: copy, get, set default, hash key, keys, values, update, items, and clear. And dictionary with for loop also we will learn within this module. Also we will try to do more exercise on Python code. For coding we are using Python IDE, and also I am using digital whiteboard for better clarification, and what I am writing in this digital whiteboard, this is required to note down for your further reference. So far we have learned about strings, tuples, and list. In this module, this is module 5, we have learned about another useful built-in data type in Python, that is called dictionary. In a list, values are indexed by the range of numbers. But in a dictionary, values are indexed by keys. Indexed by keys in dictionary. Our module 5 will start with dictionary, and I am using this whiteboard that will be written here, that can be helpful for your further reference. Dictionary have two type of things that we need to know. Is the built-in data type. The built-in data type. How the values are indexed? Values are indexed by keys. In Python, a dictionary is a sequence of key value or item pairs separated by comma. Pair separated by comma. What is about dictionary? Okay, it's also a inbuilt data type, but here key and the value will be the item of the dictionary object. Key and value together is an item of the dictionary object. Okay, so this is the syntax we have used here. Here we will use second bracket to define dictionary type of object. The key value pair is called an item. One pair made by key and the value. This is called an item. The key and value are separated by a colon. This is the item. They are separated by colon. One item have two parts. One part is key and another part is value. They are separated by comma. They are separated by colon. Okay. The key and value are separated by a colon, and each item is separated by a comma. Each item is separated by a comma. Here I have write one item. Okay. If we like to do, suppose this is the key 1 and this one is the value 1. Key 1 colon value 1, that means key 1 value 1 together is a pair and it's a item. If you like to enter another item, then this item will be separated by comma. Okay, separated by comma. In similar way, we will define the next item. So here, how many items present? Item 1, item 2, and there this item separated by comma. Many items we can include, multiple type of items we can include, but they must be separated by comma. Okay, so key and value pair is the item. Key and value pair is the item. Now just giving an example. I have defined an dictionary object. I have defined a dictionary object. Which bracket will be used there? Second bracket will be used there. I have written this. 12 is the key and my value is this. Okay. I have defined the dictionary object. Now, is this a dictionary object? What is the type of this object? To test it, I will use the type function and write down the object. So this is dictionary object. It's a class of dictionary, DICT abbreviated, and it's actually dictionary. Here dictionary object already have defined. Okay. Next we have mentioned some values. We have insert some item. Okay. Now we can also define a dictionary object without any item. Okay, without any item. That is called empty dictionary. That is called the empty dictionary. Now paste its type. Okay, so this is the empty dictionary. So we have created dictionary. Dictionary have some features, or you can say it has rules also. What are the main features of dictionary? First one is the key of the dictionary cannot be changed. These three are the main features of the dictionary. I am telling more about the features of the dictionary. Next, a string, integer or float can be used as a key. Any type of value can be used as a key. Any type of value means string, integer or float. Or the other inbuilt type of data type such as tuple, list cannot be used. Usually we are habituated to use integer value. Specifically, integer value is used for indexing purpose. But we can use string and float as a key if we require it. Next, a tuple that does not contain any list can be used as a key. But we never use it. We never like to use it. What does it mean? In some cases it can be used. What does it mean? Just give a code example so it will be understood by you very well. Suppose L1 is a list and T1 is a tuple. Okay, so here T1 tuple contain L1 list. For this reason, T1 cannot be used as a key. T1 cannot be used as a key. Here, list 1 have used as an item of the tuple T1. Okay. In this purpose, it cannot be used as a key. It is rare. We cannot encourage to use this type of key in dictionary. Okay. Next, keys are unique. Unique keys are used to find exact value, but if you repeat key, then it is meaningless. Key need to be unique, but Python have no restriction. That means which key will find the first, that value will be retrieved, and the next or the rest key with the same key value will not be retrieved. So next key, if it is repeated, have no meaning in dictionary. Just see the code example. Just see the code example. Suppose D2 is a dictionary type of object. These are the value within this object. Okay. Next, again I have repeated the value. This. Clear? So it's a dictionary, but 3 key repeated, value are different. That does not affect. The first key value will be retrieve always. Okay. How to find the value of this dictionary? Just you need to mention the key. So if I mention value key 3 within the dictionary, then what will be the value? That will be V3. V4 will be ignored. Sorry, last one will be retrieved. The first one will be ignored. Okay. It will be replaced. Here we see that key at first position is 3 and value is V3, and key at second position is also 3 but value is V4. But at key 3 we only get V4 value. So it is meaningless to have repeated keys. Next, values can be anything. For example, list, string, integer, and so on. Next, values can be repeated. Values can be changed within the dictionary. And the last features of dictionary is a dictionary is an unordered collection, which means that the order in which you have entered the items in a dictionary may not be written, and you may get the items in a different order. So these all are about the basic of the dictionary. Now we know about operations on dictionary. Task we need to perform first is to access the values of dictionary. Next, deleting an item from the dictionary. Updating the values of the dictionary. Next, adding an item to the dictionary. Adding an item to the dictionary, and first where it will be added. So how to access the elements of the dictionary? In order to access the dictionary values, you will need to mention the keys, nothing else. How to access this? Dictionary object, and within third bracket you need to mention the key. In third bracket you need to mention the key. Okay, in that way we will access the dictionary value. Okay, so giving an example, suppose D1 is a dictionary object. V1 value, key value is suppose V5. Next, suppose I use the key float and the value is V99. Okay, so this is the dictionary. These all are the items within the dictionary. Now access the value of the key 1, that will be V1, and value the access the value of the item with the key 5, so that will be V5. Similarly, we can mention 99.9 as a key value to access the corresponding value. Okay, so that is 99. In order to access the dictionary values, we use a square bracket along with the key. Now tell me, what happens if the key is not in the dictionary? If the key is not in the dictionary, suppose I mention the key value 2, which is not present within the dictionary D1. As because this is unknown, so here we will see the key error for the unknown key 2, as because it is not exist. Mind that this key error is generated by the Python compiler itself. Okay, so it is clear. Next, we will delete an item from the dictionary. We will delete an item from the dictionary. What is the syntax to delete an item from the dictionary? We will use delete an item. Syntax will be this. Del is the keyword that will be used to delete the dictionary. Mention the dictionary object and mention the key you like to delete. Again, you need to mind that The key you have mentioned here must exist in the dictionary. Okay. Let's delete an item from the dictionary object D1. What is the value of D1? Q1 value V1, 5 value V5, key 99.9 value V99. Okay. Now delete a key, delete an item. Okay. It will be deleted based on the key. Item will be deleted based on the key. Okay. Now, what are the items now exist in this dictionary D1? Set. Okay. So these are the items exist in this dictionary right now. If you want to delete the entire dictionary, then what to do? Just write down the dictionary object. You not need to specify any key. Deleted object will be deleted. As a whole, the object will be deleted. Okay. How to delete it? So I have told you, just write down this syntax, del and dictionary object. Okay, you not need to mention any key. As a whole, this object will be deleted. Okay. Before doing that, so just you must be aware that object also will be deleted. If it is required, you will not find it further. Okay. So just delete the. I like to delete the object D1 right now. Okay. So it is deleted. Now dictionary, and now next we know, if I want to find it, then this error will be occurs because this is not exist. Clear? So in that way I have deleted the object. Next we know how to update dictionary value corresponding to the key. I need to update dictionary value corresponding to the key. What we have to do? Just mention the dictionary object and mention its key. Now insert new value. Okay, any type of value will be there, any new value will be there. Okay, so just try it in code. Suppose I have defined a dictionary D and the value of this dictionary, items of this dictionary are this. Okay. I have used a variety of key. Here key have type integer, here string type of key, here float type of key. String type of key but the value is 11, integer type of key but the value is v3. Okay, and its type is dictionary, so we are assume. Now I like to update the key value with S11 with the value 101. Okay. Now see the dictionary. Okay. So value have updated. S11 value was 11. Okay. Now it is 101. Okay. Next we know how to add an item to the dictionary object. How to add an item to the dictionary object. How to add it? Simply you need to mention the new key. Dictionary object. Okay, new key will be there. New key. Okay, and the value. Okay, key will be new must. Value can be repeated. Value does not matter in dictionary. Key will play the great role. Okay, so just we will try to have a code. D. I have mentioned a new key 20 here, as because it is not exist in this dictionary. And equals to value is value 20 new. Okay, this is the value. Okay, now see the dictionary. So newly inserted item added with the dictionary successfully. Okay. So in this lecture we have discussed some operations in dictionary. In next lecture we will learn about dictionary function. Thank you very much.